Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add playing a game on Discord. So let's head over to the Discord app, and in our profile page, just click on add status. So in here, we can easily just type playing PUBG for example. Then you can also customize the emoji according to your preference. We can try using a game console emoji. You can also decide the duration of the status. Then once you're satisfied, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add a status or add your game as your status on your Discord profile. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!